Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download the ground motion records for different purposes. If you are doing time history analysis, you can download the records. So you just need to open the Google Chrome and then type Strong Motion Center. Then this website you have to click Center for Engineering Strong Motion Data. When you click, then you have to click on search for data. Then you have to click on worldwide ground response data. Now here you have to click on data search option is there. Now it may take some time to open this page or to fully load this page. Generally it takes few seconds, so we have to wait. Yes, the page is fully loaded now. Here you have to put the event name, whatever earthquake you want. You can put the name, like I have put the place where the earthquake occur, Bhuj. Then here there are variety of option available. You can select or you can set particular range of magnitude. You can put the range of the date. You can put the range for peak ground acceleration. You can have a range between have a range for hypocentral distance. You can edit here also, like which station owner you want or which region you want. You can click. If not, you can keep this any and just go down and here click on search. A new page will come. We have searched Bhuj earthquake, so here you can see Bhuj Kutch 2001 126, that is the date. This is the time 3:16:40. Ahmedabad, India. Hypocentral distance is 239 kilometer. Now here you can click on plot acceleration. You will here you can see the ground motion for x, y and z, that is up direction. So this is the ground acceleration record. Here also you can see the details. The station owner, Department of Earthquake Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, India. So their lat long and all those things are here. Now here this is, you have to click here, add this to bin x, y and up directional components, and you can go to download bin option. Click on go to download bin. Here you can see, you can click on proceed to download data. You can click on proceed to download. Here you just need to enter your email ID to log in. and you can click on login. So here the data is there. What to download here: acceleration, velocity, displacement, and Fourier response. If you want all, you can keep the tick for all the option. If you don't, if you are not interested in Fourier response, you can untick. You will get the acceleration, velocity, displacements record for x, y, and up direction. So click here, zip the, check the files. So it it will get downloaded. Here click on download file. So your file will starts to download. You will get a zip file. I will copy these files and paste it in one of my folder. Right click, open with notepad. Here you can see Bhuj earthquake, January 26, 2001. Date, time is 8:46:42. Magnitude 7. Body magnitude and surface magnitudes are given. Station is Ahmedabad. Latitude, longitudes are given. Here you can see peak acceleration is given during entire ground motion data. What is the peak acceleration? You can see the unit meter per second square. At what time this peak occur, that is also given. In this file there are 26,706 acceleration data points are there. The unit is given and each data point is at 0.005 seconds. That means this first reading is at 0 second. This reading is at 0.005 second. Similarly, you have to add a 0.005 second. So you will get at what time instant, what is the acceleration. Similarly, you can find the velocity data as well as displacement data. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.